help lead an initiative to help raise money for the school for our annual fund. And it helps us do so many great things, helps make Hammond the best school on the whole entire planet, which I believe that it is. So we challenged everyone in the school. Pre-kindergarten really won the competition, so congratulations. Bigger kids give them a round of applause. It's gonna be fun. And how many of you know Coach Scott? Cheer. All right, and so how many are excited about seeing Coach Scott get slimed today too? I can't hear you. Are we ready? Wait. Are we really ready? Coach, are you ready?
Let's do it.
All right. So we're going to count down from 10. Here we go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I'm sorry. I lost track. I never got past 4th grade. So here we go again. Are we ready? Okay. And this time make it loud so everyone can hear it. 10,